Carrier central air conditioner, which was just running, and it had to shut off right before I started my camera. Or this one is the one that shut off. It's a one-story home, but it has 2 dual-zone air conditioners, both Carriers. Serial number 491-3X68069. Model number CA16NA030-A, and these are from 2013 or 14. It's a brand new home. Disconnect boxes and serial number 461-3E17409. Model number CA6NA042-A. And I have some pictures of the thermostat and the hot water heaters to show you. They had 2 hot water heaters. It was really neat. Alright. Well, that's going to be about it. Both have filter dryers.